refreshing. Your turn to drive.
Okay.
You drive this broom like a maniac. Pull over. It's my turn to drive.
Okay. Get on my seat.
We have to go fast if we want to make it to Hogwarts.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Free ride. I gotta put my seatbelt on. Wait.
Hurry up. Buckle in. Jack, we're at Hogwarts. Here, you park the broom. I'm going to go find Harry Potter.